Getting a good night's sleep is one of the most important things you can do for your health. But did you know that certain everyday habits might be secretly ruining your sleep without you even realizing it? If you often wake up feeling tired, struggle to fall asleep, or find yourself tossing and turning at night, it's possible that small things in your daily routine are disrupting your rest. In this video, we're uncovering 7 surprising things that might be ruining your sleep and how you can fix them to start waking up refreshed and energized. One of the biggest sleep disruptors is using screens before bed. Whether it's your phone, tablet, TV, or laptop, these devices emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for making you feel sleepy. Even if you feel tired, scrolling through your phone at night can make it harder to fall asleep and reduce the quality of your rest. The solution? Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed, or use blue light filter settings on your devices if you must use them. Another common sleep disruptor is caffeine consumption too late in the day. You probably know that coffee wakes you up, but caffeine can stay in your system for up to 10 hours, meaning that even an afternoon coffee can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Caffeine isn't just in coffee. It's also found in tea, chocolate, and energy drinks. If you struggle with sleep, try cutting off caffeine intake by mid-afternoon and see if your rest improves. Stress and anxiety are also major culprits when it comes to ruining sleep. If your mind is constantly racing with worries, it can be difficult to relax enough to fall asleep. Stress increases cortisol, the body's stress hormone, which keeps you alert when you should be winding down. Practicing relaxation techniques before bed, like deep breathing, meditation, or journaling, can help calm your mind and signal to your body that it's time to rest. Another surprising factor that affects sleep is an inconsistent sleep schedule. If you go to bed and wake up at different times every day, your body's internal clock or circadian rhythm gets out of sync. This makes it harder to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. The key is to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to get quality rest. Your sleep environment also plays a crucial role in sleep quality. If your bedroom is too bright, too noisy, or the temperature isn't right, your body might struggle to fully relax. Bright lights, including street lights outside your window, or even a small nightlight, can interfere with melatonin production. Noise disturbances like traffic or snoring partner can also wake you up throughout the night. And if your room is too warm, your body has a harder time cooling down, which is necessary for deep sleep. To fix this, make your bedroom as dark, quiet, and cool as possible. Use blackout curtains, white noise machines, and set the room temperature to around 65-68 degrees F, 18 to 20 degrees Celsius for optimal sleep. What you eat before bed can also secretly ruin your sleep. Eating heavy, spicy, or greasy foods late at night can cause indigestion, acid reflux, and discomfort, making it harder to fall asleep. Sugary snacks and refined carbs can also cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to restless sleep. If you get hungry before bed, opt for light snacks like nuts, yogurt, or a banana, which contains sleep-promoting nutrients like magnesium and tryptophan. Finally, one of the most overlooked sleep disruptors is lack of sunlight exposure during the day. Your body's natural sleep-wake cycle is regulated by exposure to natural light. If you spend most of your day indoors, your body might not get the signal it needs to produce melatonin at the right time. Getting at least 20 to 30 minutes of natural sunlight, especially in the morning, can help regulate your circadian rhythm and improve nighttime sleep. Now that you know these 7 things that secretly ruin your sleep, it's time to make some small but powerful changes. Avoid screens before bed, limit caffeine in the afternoon and its stress, stick to a regular sleep schedule, optimize your sleep environment, be mindful of late-night eating, and get enough natural light during the day. By making these adjustments, you can significantly improve your sleep quality, wake up feeling more refreshed, and boost your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next one.